Yo! Starting off today with Earn by Time. Current rate is $17 an hour, and this first order is a Taco Bell going 3.5 miles.
Hey, are you clicking in with your app to earn rewards points?
I just have a DoorDash for Cameron.
Yeah, shortly.
There you go.
Thank you. Well, that took like 15 minutes at least. That took so long. They must have started the order after I got there. Like, no one even answered at the drive-thru. I pulled up to the window and it took like another 5 minutes before someone even noticed. So, yeah. That's a no tip. I don't know how it's possible, but like 9 times out of 10, whenever I go to those apartments, it's going to be a no tip. Doesn't matter who it's going to. Anyways, total for that one was $8. That's terrible. Next order up is a Black Rock coffee. This one is $6 going about 2 miles.
Just have a quick.
Thank you.
No problem.
So the crazy thing about that order, it took maybe 10 minutes from start to finish, and I almost got paid the same amount. This one's kind of high mileage, but it should be a good one. Gotta seize the bagel. This one is $14 going 8 miles. Here you are. Yep. Have a good day. Most of the mileage on that one was highway miles, so I got it done pretty quickly. That was a good order. Next up is a Black Rock coffee. This one is $7 going 3 miles. Just pulled in and they gave me an add-on order. I don't think it's for the same person, but it's a Seize the Bagel, $8 going 4 miles.
Here's for Nathaniel.
Thank you.
Yeah, have a great day.
You too. Thank you. Oh, this one is terrible, but we're doing it anyways. This is a Mr. Maple Donuts going 9.5 miles, and it's leaving me somewhere I don't want to be, so most likely I'm going to have to drive a lot of that way back. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Well, that was a waste of time. Thank you for that. No tip. Total for that one was $8 and change. And like I said, I got to drive most of the way back, so that was a really bad order. Next up is a Black Rock coffee. This one is going 5 miles. I believe it's taking me closer to where I want to be, or at least in that direction, so should be okay. You too. Total for that one was $8 and change. Okay, that one was pretty good. It was quick and painless, so I'll take it. Finally making it back into my zone and got the next order. This is a Carl's Jr. going, I think it's at 4 miles. Thank you.
Have a nice day. Thank you.
Thank you. Total for that one was $8. Lots of $8 orders today, which isn't really a bad thing. And speaking of, got this one right away. This one is Brewed Cafe, $8 going 5 miles.
Bruce, come on. Would you like the combo? Yes.
you.
Have a good day.
You too. Okay, I am lost. Oh my god, it's right here. Not sure if that was intentional or not, but their directions were so bad. Like, I had to circle the block twice, and it still didn't make sense. Anyways, next up is another $8 order. This is Seize the Bagel, $8 going, I think it said 5.5 miles. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
That was so loud in my ear. What is this? Got a stack going to the same person. This is Burger King and Taco Bell. 5 miles. Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. Ooh, got the next order lined up right after this. It is a Starbucks, $11 going 3 miles. Just on the register right here?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Total for that stack was $13. Okay, not bad.
All right, this is for Olivia.
Thank you. All right, I'm thinking it's time to go home. Current time is 9:24. Current total is 101, and I think I'm waiting on at least one Uber tip, which should bring it up to, let's be modest and say 105. That is gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.